You need to watch this if you struggle with breakfast ideas, or I will show you how to make the best French toast of your life. Today, we're making French toast that's so easy and delicious you'll be asking, why didn't I try this sooner? First things first, let's gather our ingredients. We need 4 slices of bread, slightly stale is perfect, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk or cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional if you love it sweet, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon for that extra zing. Step 1. Grab a shallow bowl and whisk together the eggs, milk, vanilla, sugar and cinnamon. Mix it all up until it's nice and smooth. Easy, right? Step 2. Dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture. Make sure both sides get a nice, even soak. Let them hang out for about 20-30 seconds per side. Step 3. Heat up a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Add a little butter or oil to coat the surface. Place your soaked bread slices onto the skillet. Cook them for 2-3 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. And finally, step 4. Serve your French toast warm. Top it with maple syrup, powdered sugar, fresh fruits, or anything your heart desires. There you have it. Delicious and easy to make French toast that will make your morning shine. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Until next time, happy cooking!